Good morning students, this is Amit Tiwari, your English teacher. Students, in previous video we have started reading the fifth poem of Beehive book, A Legend of the Northland. We have seen that this poem is a ballad which is narrating a folk story in very short stanzas. We have discussed the first stanza of this poem, in which we have seen that the people who live in Northland do not sleep for the whole night because the duration of the nights are very long and the duration of the days are very short. Now let us move on to the second stanza, where they harness the swift reindeer to the sledges when it snows, and the children look like bear's cub in their funny furry clothes. Here the meaning of harness is to tie the animals to the sledges. The meaning of swift is very fast, and reindeer is a species of deer. Sledges is a type of cart which the people who lives in snowy areas used as a medium for transportation. So with this stanza, poet is saying that when it snows, the people who are living in this particular area harness the swift reindeer to the sledges just to move from here and there. And the children are looking like bear's cub because they are wearing furry clothes. They tell them a curious story. I don't believe it's true, and yet you may learn a lesson if I tell the tale to you. And this stanza, poet is saying that they means the parents or the elderly people, tell the children or the young generation a very curious and interesting story which I think the reader cannot believe on, because these stories are very untrue. And again the poet is saying that when he narrate the story to the readers, they will definitely learn some lesson out of it. So what the story the narrator is telling is given in the later stanzas of this poem. Now let us move on to the fourth stanza. Once when the good Saint Peter lived in the world below and walked about it preaching, just as he did, you know. Here Saint Peter is the apostle of Christ or the disciple of Christ. Saint Peter जो कि क्राइस्ट के शिष्य हैं, वो जब नीचे संसार में रहा करते थे तो वो इधर उधर पूरे संसार में घूमा करते थे जस्ट टू गिव हिज रिलीजियस लेक्चर्स टू द पीपल, जस्ट एज ही डिड यू नो। और वो ये किस तरीके से करते होंगे ये आप सब समझ सकते हैं। पोएट रीडर्स के ऊपर ये बात छोड़ता है कि वो इस बात को आसानी से समझ सकते हैं या वो जानते होंगे कि कोई भी रिलीजियस जो सेंट होता है किस तरीके से घूम घूम के लोगों को अपनी रिलीजियस प्रीचिंग्स देता है। He came to the door of a cottage and traveling round the earth, where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the hearth. और जब सेंट पीटर घूम घूम के संसार में अपने रिलीजियस लेक्चर्स दे रहे हैं, इसी प्रकार घूमते घूमते वो एक घर में आते हैं जहाँ पे एक छोटी सी औरत केक्स बना रही होती है और उन केक्स को बेक करने के लिए वो अवन में या अंगीठी में रखती है। So students, this is for today. and the rest part of this poem we will try to cover up in our next video. Till then, have a good day.